In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a performance review system in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable workflow that helps HR track performance, schedule reviews, and manage feedback without anything slipping through the cracks. Start by creating a dedicated workspace for HR. After you log in, open Spaces and create a new one named HRI, so Performance Management. Keeping reviews in their own space makes permissions and reporting easier later on, and it keeps sensitive work separate from other teams. Inside that space, create a folder called Performance Reviews. This is your container for every review list you'll build over time, so you can keep multiple cycles organized in one place. Next, add lists that match each review period. For instance, you might create Q1 2026 performance reviews, or Annual Reviews 2026. Naming by timeframe makes it clear when reviews are due and lets you archive or compare periods easily. Within a review list, create one task per employee. Name the task with the employee's full name so it's searchable, and assign it to the manager or HR partner responsible for that review. If your process includes shared responsibility, you can add watchers and due dates so everyone stays aligned. Quick note before we continue. If you need ClickUp, you'll find the website link and the download link for the desktop and mobile apps right at the top of the description, so you can follow along. Now set up custom fields to standardize what you track. Add fields such as employee name, department as a dropdown, job title, review date, reviewer, a performance score using either numbers or a labeled scale. Goals achieved as long text, areas for improvement as long text, and next review date. Keeping this consistent across every task allows you to filter, sort, and report across teams and timeframes. Consider saving this set as a template so every new list gets the same structure automatically. Open an employee's task and add a checklist to guide the review steps. Include items like collecting the self-assessment, completing the manager assessment, scheduling the review meeting, documenting feedback, approving the final review, and sharing the results with the employee. Checklists create accountability and a clear finish line. Customize task statuses to reflect progress, such as not started, in progress, review scheduled, and completed. Move each task through these statuses as you work so the whole team can see where things stand at a glance. Use different views to manage efficiently. List view gives you a detailed grid of employees and fields. Board view shows progress by status. Calendar view highlights upcoming review and meeting dates. Table view lets you filter by department, score, or completion. Finally, use dashboards to analyze performance scores, average ratings by department, and the completion rate of reviews. Use those insights to refine goals and criteria for continuous improvement. Thanks for watching.